Winter storm Pax is threatening millions with dangerous conditions. Let's go now to our winter expert desk for the latest information.
We take a look at some of the weary places up there in the Northeast, Philadelphia being one of them. Already this year, you're approaching 4 feet of snowfall for the season. You typically pick up a little over a foot of snow. You're running about 4 times what you normally get. And compared to last year, a little over a half foot for the entire season so far at this time of the year last year is, it is really nothing compared to what you've had so far for this season. You've got more on the way, guys. The setup, the cold air locked in here across the east, and when Pax makes its move up here along the eastern seaboard, it has got a lot of precipitation that it is going to bring back into this cold air. Right along the coast here, probably going to see a wintry mix in that Wednesday night through Thursday night time frame, but I'll tell you what, inland from that, significant snows, and these could be very big snow amounts along this corridor that runs from Washington, D.C. through Baltimore and then up into eastern New England. Take a look at our computer model here. This is one of our models that is showing how this is going to unfold. This is Wednesday at 2 p.m. The system will move right along the coastal areas here, and it really begins to intensify as it moves up the coast here. Take a look at this by the time we get into Thursday night going into Friday morning. I mean, this system is really ramped up here. These are lines of constant pressure called isobars. Where they're closer together, the winds are stronger. We're going to have very blustery, wintry conditions across the Northeast in that Thursday through Thursday evening time frame. The system finally moves off toward the Canadian Maritimes on Friday. But if you look at the total snowfall here, take a look at this. The purple area that I'm outlining here, 8 to 12 inches of snow, and that could include places like Washington, D.C., especially just west of D.C. in those suburbs where you could see double-digit snowfalls from this system. Now, right along the coastal areas, again, warm enough probably for just a wintry mix. New York City right on the edge here, and Boston on the edge as well. But just inland from there is where we see a really big ramp up in the snow. And because of the major differences here, the gradient of the snowfall along this area, very slight changes in the track of the low pressure system could mean significant differences in who gets the heaviest snow. So we got to watch this carefully. It's going to be another major snow event. Big impacts travel-wise both on land and in the air in that Thursday into Thursday night time frame. We'll send it back to you.
We've got the latest